I repotted baby bird nest sancheverias houseplants and a starfish sancheveria plant, baby plant. Gonna see how well these baby transplants work out. See if I can get these to grow into some new plants without them dying. That's what I'm doing today. Taking some babies off of the mama plants. Like for instance, this is the bird nest sansevieria house plant. Got it outside on my balcony garden. I removed the baby plants from it and placed them in these homemade water bottle planters. So we'll see after a while if they stay alive. That's what I'm doing today. Transplanting some baby houseplants. Trying to make me some big houseplants. This is the mama starfish sancheveria that I got the baby sancheveria from. And I transplanted the baby, trying to grow another houseplant. This right here is a pig. No, excuse me, this is a cow. Probably can't see it that well, but I put some succulents in here. I put a piece of watch chain in there too, but I don't know. We'll see how this works out. And I got another one right here. I put in a ceramic bowl, some succulents. Try to see how well they do. I'll put the picture the best I can in the video to show you guys. This is the cow planter that I planted the succulents in. This is a better vision of it, I guess. You guys can see it a little clearer. I'm gonna take a picture.